Why AI matters. Supercharging startup success. In today's fast-paced business environment, startups face immense pressure to innovate, grow, and outmaneuver the competition. AI offers a powerful arsenal of tools to achieve these goals. By automating tasks, analyzing data, and generating insights, AI empowers startups to work smarter, not harder. One of the most significant advantages of AI is its ability to supercharge productivity. Repetitive and time-consuming tasks that once bogged down employees can now be automated, freeing up valuable time and resources. Imagine a startup where customer support inquiries are handled by AI-powered chatbots, or where data entry is automated through intelligent systems. This allows employees to focus on higher-value tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction. Moreover, AI enables startups to make better decisions, faster. In the past, decision-making was often based on intuition or limited data. AI changes the game by analyzing vast amounts of data, identifying patterns, and generating actionable insights. This data-driven approach helps startups understand their customers better, optimize their operations, and make informed decisions that drive growth. A for smarter decisions navigating the data deluge. Startups today are swimming in data. From customer interactions to website analytics and market trends, the volume of information can be overwhelming. AI acts as a powerful filter, making sense of this data deluge and transforming it into valuable insights. By recognizing patterns and trends that humans might miss, AI empowers startups to make smarter decisions across all aspects of their business. Imagine a startup using AI to analyze customer feedback from various sources like social media, surveys, and support tickets. The AI can identify common pain points, track sentiment, and provide actionable insights to improve products or services. This data-driven approach leads to higher customer satisfaction, increased retention, and ultimately, business growth. Furthermore, AI can help startups optimize their marketing efforts. By analyzing customer data, AI algorithms can personalize marketing campaigns, target the right audience segments, and even predict customer churn. This level of precision and personalization was previously unthinkable for startups with limited resources. Scaling up with AI, from local to global. Scalability is crucial for startups aiming to grow beyond their initial market. AI provides the tools and infrastructure to achieve rapid and sustainable growth. By automating processes, personalizing experiences, and streamlining operations, AI enables startups to reach a wider audience without being constrained by traditional limitations. Consider a startup developing an educational app. AI can help personalize the learning experience for each student based on their learning style, pace, and progress. This personalized approach not only improves learning outcomes but also allows the startup to scale its reach to millions of students worldwide, breaking down geographical barriers and democratizing access to education. AI also plays a vital role in automating customer support, a crucial aspect of scaling any business. AI-powered chatbots can handle a large volume of customer inquiries simultaneously, providing instant responses and resolving issues 24/7. This frees up human agents to focus on more complex issues, ensuring a seamless customer experience even as the startup grows exponentially. Practical steps for AI adoption. A roadmap for startups. While the potential of AI is undeniable, many startups struggle with the practicalities of implementation. Where to begin? What tools to use? How to measure success? The good news is that incorporating AI doesn't require a massive technological overhaul. Startups can begin their AI journey with small incremental steps and gradually scale their efforts as they gain experience and confidence. The first step is to identify areas within the business that can benefit most from AI. This could be automating repetitive tasks, improving customer service, or gaining insights from data. Once these areas are identified, startups can explore the wide range of AI tools available, many of which are affordable and user-friendly. Tools like ChatGPT can be used for content creation, customer support, and even generating code. Notion AI can help with writing, brainstorming, and summarizing information. Mid-Journey enables the creation of stunning visuals without the need for design skills. The key is to experiment with different tools and find what works best for the specific needs of the startup. The AI-powered future opportunities and challenges. The future of startups is inextricably linked to AI. Those who embrace this transformative technology will have a significant advantage in the years to come. AI will continue to evolve at an unprecedented pace, unlocking new possibilities and creating opportunities that we can only imagine today. Startups that successfully integrate AI will be able to operate more efficiently, make better decisions, and scale their businesses faster than ever before. They will be able to create personalized experiences for their customers, automate complex tasks, and gain a deeper understanding of their markets. In short, AI will be the key differentiator between those who thrive and those who struggle to keep up. However, the rise of AI also presents challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the potential displacement of jobs. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it's crucial for startups and policymakers to address this issue by upskilling and reskilling the workforce. Additionally, ethical considerations surrounding AI, such as bias in algorithms and data privacy, must be carefully considered and addressed. Don't get left behind. Embrace the AI revolution.